Microsoft's new operating system marks a big design change with some notable new features. Let's dive into what we've seen in our first impressions of Windows 11. It's official, Windows 11 is actually happening 6 years after the launch of Windows 10. The biggest change off the bat is the look and feel of the Windows 11 interface. It's a much cleaner design with pastel-like colors and rounded corners. It's definitely a more Mac-like look. I really like the look of this new design. I think the Windows interface was long due for an upgrade, and this is pretty sleek and modern looking compared to Windows 10. The iconic Windows Start menu has moved from the bottom left of the screen to the middle, with app icons arranged in the center next to it, sort of like a smartphone or a tablet, but you can move those back to the left if you prefer. This is a bit more like macOS or Chrome OS, and it might be a little bit strange for longtime Windows 10 users to get used to, but if you really hate it, you can always go back to the old look, more similar to how it was in Windows 10. Microsoft has yet to reveal a new startup sound, but a leaked version of Windows 11 has a nice doo-doo-doo new startup sound. In the taskbar, you'll find a new icon called widgets. Clicking this will let you bring up a customizable panel of widgets that give you a quick glance at things like weather, stocks, and news. Microsoft added a similar feature in a recent Windows 10 update. If you're a longtime Windows user, these new widgets might remind you of desktop gadgets that Microsoft introduced back with Windows Vista but since discontinued. But these new widgets are more personalizable and give you that nice at-a-glance information really easily. Overall, the design incorporates a lot of the features we saw in early versions of Windows 10X, the operating system Microsoft was working on for dual-screen devices like the Surface Duo. However, the company scrapped those plans in favor of Windows 11 and clearly built in some of the same ideas here. In terms of features, we've also got some big changes. Namely, Android apps are coming to Windows 11. You'll be able to install Android apps from the Microsoft App Store using the built-in Amazon App Store. Those apps will be integrated into the start bar and also appear in the taskbar with their own windows. This closer integration of Android apps into Windows 10 really shows how desktop and mobile are merging more and more. It's also a move that Apple's moved towards a lot more in recent years. Microsoft's video chat platform Teams will also be more tightly integrated into Windows 11 and will live in the taskbar. So launching a Teams call will be more similar to doing so with FaceTime on a Mac. You can access Teams on any platform, including Windows and Android, but also Mac and iOS. This will be a really nice update for people, particularly who've moved to a hybrid or fully remote work situation during the pandemic. I only wish it had come out a little sooner when lots and lots of people were working fully remote. Finally, Microsoft wants to make your Windows 11 PC work more like an Xbox, and is folding in some tech already found in the next-gen console to improve gaming on your computer. Windows 11 will first be available as a public beta at the end of June. The main release will be generally available as a free software update for Windows 10 users during the holiday season, as long as your PC is compatible. Be sure to check out our How to Do It All channel, where we'll walk you through Microsoft's tool to see if your current PC will be able to upgrade to Windows 11. So is Windows 11 everything you've ever dreamed of in a new operating system? Or is it falling a little bit short of your expectations? Let us know in the comments below, and make sure you subscribe for more Windows 11 coverage here at CNET.